It's my time now. I was chasing shadows in the night, thinking everybody else was right, but the mirror showed a different face. The Ndinozvida Shona. I finally saw myself. I found my grace. Zezes wakapura. Everything in the past is gone. Now I'm the one I'm looking for. And one time for the soul, two times for the heart. I'm taking back control. This is where